In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable hardware acceleration in Chrome. Hardware acceleration is a Chrome setting that allows the browser to use your computer's graphics hardware to help improve performance. In some cases, this can make browsing feel smoother, especially when watching videos, using web apps, or handling graphics-heavy content. On the other hand, if Chrome is lagging, flickering, crashing, or not displaying pages properly, turning this setting off can sometimes help. So let's walk through exactly where to find it and how to change it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three vertical dots. This opens the main Chrome menu where you'll find browser controls and settings. From that drop-down menu, select Settings. This takes you to Chrome's Settings page, where you can manage browser behavior and performance options. Next, look to the menu on the left-hand side and click System. The System section contains a few background and performance-related settings, including the one we need for this tutorial. Once you're in the System section, locate the setting labeled Use Graphics Acceleration when available. This is the hardware acceleration option in Chrome. Before changing it, it helps to know what the switch means. If the setting is turned on, Chrome will try to use your device's graphics hardware when possible. If it's turned off, Chrome will rely more on software processing instead. If you want to enable hardware acceleration, toggle the switch to the on position. When it's enabled, the switch should appear blue. This is the right choice if you want Chrome to take advantage of available graphics hardware for potentially better performance. If you want to disable hardware acceleration instead, toggle the switch to the off position. When it's disabled, the switch should appear gray. This can be useful if you're troubleshooting display issues, browser instability, or unusual performance problems. After making your change, click the relaunch button that appears next to the setting. This step is important because Chrome needs to restart before the new setting takes effect. Once Chrome relaunches, your change will be applied. And that's it. You've successfully enabled or disabled hardware acceleration in Chrome. If you're testing performance or trying to fix a browser issue, give Chrome a moment after relaunching and then check whether things are working better. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.